Hello guys, today I've got REDMI Buds 8 Lite and I'm going to show you how you can easily switch between transparency mode and ANC in your app. So here we are now in the application. This application is called Show Me Earbuds, and once we both are here, we need to go and tap here transparency or ANC. Of course, in these headphones we've got earbuds, we've got in-ear detection, so let me put these earbuds into my ears, the right one and the left one. Here I've got ANC, transparency mode, and off. We can't actually manage these options as such, but that's how it works. Goodbye!